Apollo.io's geofilters are your primary tool for location-based lead generation. Access them in the search bar and specify target locations by country, state, province, city, metro area, or zip code. Refine your searches using basic filters like radius searches and advanced filters to exclude specific regions. For precision, combine multiple locations with Boolean operators like AND. Apollo.io's AI-driven smart geo filters, introduced in 2025, enhance location targeting by suggesting optimal locations based on user behavior and industry trends, even adapting to remote work patterns to identify leads in emerging hubs. This ensures you connect with relevant prospects efficiently by focusing your search on specific geographic areas. Use up to 10 filters. Data sources include public records, social media, and business directories. Start broad and refine. Once you've filtered leads by location, save them into customizable lists for segmentation, such as NY Tech Startups. These lists integrate with Apollo.io's sequence tools for automated outreach and update automatically with new matches based on saved filters. Finally, export your targeted lead data to CSV, Excel, or directly to your CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot. Ensure data portability while adhering to anti-spam laws by verifying leads before export. Remember that export limits depend on your subscription plan. Apollo.io ensures compliance with GDPR and CCPA for data privacy. These steps are designed for efficient B2B prospecting, especially in hyperlocal or global markets. Real-time data updates are provided from ZoomInfo after being acquired in 2024.